In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Odoo, a task that can help keep your database organized and easy to manage. We'll go through each step clearly and thoroughly, ensuring you're comfortable with the process by the end. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to the specific module in Odoo where your records reside. This could be any module you're working with, such as products, CRM, or invoices. The flexibility Odoo offers across its different modules is one of its greatest strengths, allowing for an integrated system that works seamlessly together. Once you're in the desired module, you're going to open up either the list or the form view. The list view displays multiple records in a spreadsheet-like format, making it easy to scan through numerous entries. The form view, on the other hand, allows you to view and manage a single record in more detail. Now that you're in the right view, it's time to select the specific records that you want to archive. This can be done simply by clicking on the checkboxes next to each record. If you need to archive multiple records at once, go ahead and select several checkboxes. This functionality can save you a considerable amount of time, especially if you're dealing with a large number of records that are no longer frequently accessed but still need to be retained in your system. With your records selected, direct your attention to the upper part of your screen where you'll find the Action button. This button is your gateway to various batch actions you can perform on your selected records. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with different actions that you can apply to the records you've selected. In this drop-down menu, you'll see the option labeled Archive. Selecting this option will allow you to hide the records from your active view. Archiving doesn't delete your records. Rather, it moves them out of the active workflow into a safer place where they can be easily retrieved if needed. This is especially useful for records that may not be needed regularly but must still be kept for future reference or regulatory compliance. Remember, archived records in Odoo can be unarchived at any time should you need to access them again. This reversible action is incredibly useful in maintaining the balance between a clean, efficient workspace and retaining necessary historical data. By efficiently archiving records, you maintain a streamlined and efficient interface, which can significantly enhance productivity and ease of access when dealing with current data. That's it. You've successfully learned how to archive records in Odoo. Keeping your database tidy and organized assures smoother operations and better management of your records. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great time managing your data with Odoo.